How's it going, everyone? Jeremy here with AccuDraft, and today we are on location here in Indianapolis, Indiana, out at an install we're doing at RLL. RLL is a race team that just relocated out here, and they are building a brand new facility. I'm going to drop some pictures here to let you see what the facility looks like from the outside, because I can only show you so much on the inside. Now, while I can't go through and show you the actual rest of the building because it's under construction, we're here to actually show you an update on the booth progress itself. It's almost done. A bunch of little things have got to be taken care of. I want to show you an update on where we're at. So walking up here to the outside of the mixing room, this is our standard mixing room with now the Ventrino glass, as well as matched in Furia red to match the rest of the booth. So as you walk through, you're going to be coming straight into the booth. Now, one thing that I do want to show you guys, I do like how they have this. As a painter, I really like some of the little small details like this right here, little quick release. Another thing is the LED bulbs that are all throughout the booths now. They come standard. Now this booth as it is, of course, as you can see, the ceiling filters have not been put in yet. There are a couple of things to finish buttoning up. Filters have got to go in, power still has to be turned on to the booth, and there's a number of other things that's got to be done, but it all comes from putting a booth together. So I'll spin the camera and show you the actual booth prep station itself. Now the prep station that you see here, this is the AccuDraft Pro Series prep station. It is on this side of the mixing room itself. Mixing rooms that are right there on the other wall. As you can see, it's been skinned in Furia red to be able to match the booth. Now we are going to come in, there's going to be curtains all the way around that. They just have not been hung up, of course, with part of some of the stuff that's got to be buttoned up on this. Now the space saver unit itself, we get a lot of questions about why is it a space saver? What space is it actually saving? Well, as you can see right here, there's nothing mounted on the side, and of course there's a wall right there. So where are the mechanicals? Where's the AMU? The answer for that is all the mechanicals are placed up on top to give you more square footage around the booth that's usable space. Now this one in particular, this space saver, is a Furia red, and it also has our new Ventrino glass. Now this is a taller glass. If you've seen other models, we've used a smaller, more oval style in the past. Now we're going to a taller rectangle. This is an option on all of the booths except for the Titan. The Titan now comes with a Ventrino glass as a 4-door option, or a 4-door standard, excuse me, but a 3-door option. Now for filtration, they're running a Kaiser system here, and of course this is going to be the AccuDraft Focus touchscreen control panel. Now, the nice thing about this setup, they are almost ready to go. Once everything gets buttoned up, all the filters get put in, the baffling gets put in, curtains, everything will be ready to start up. So once all power gets turned on, they're going to be out here, they're going to do initial start, they're going to dial in everything, train the guys here at RLL, and of course they're already starting to move stuff in. RLL is, as a company as a whole, on the other side of the building. So there's going to be more to come. Guys, stay tuned. We'll talk to you soon.